Hey, beautiful people. If you clicked on this video, it's because you want to either learn how to apply gel polish or you just want to watch a nice, satisfying video. First thing you're going to do is shape your nails. We just removed her old gel polish, so I am going to shape her nails and file them down just a little bit. We're going to refresh everything. Then I'm going to go in with a 240 grit. This is basically like buffing her nails. It is a higher number grit, but it is a smoother grit. That makes sense. So the higher the number, the smoother the files. It's basically like buffing her nails. We're just gonna etch her nails, get rid of any old residue, like if she has any base coat from her, her previous gel polish application, or just any residue really, and any cuticle or dead skin that's attached to her natural nail. We want to create a nice clean canvas so that we can go in with prep. Once I am done with this step, I'm going to go in with a protein bond. I'm going to use that before I go in with base coat, and I'm going to cure for 30 seconds. Hold on really quick. I want you guys to see how clean this looks. Once I apply base coat, I go in with the color, and between each coat, if you're going to do several coats, not several, you only want to do two max, because otherwise you'll create a nice thick nail. But you want to cure for 60 seconds. If you have an LED lamp, then you're going to be curing for less time. It's going to be half the time, okay? So I'm going in with protein bond, and then I'm going to go in with base coat. The gel polish is by Glam. So I go in with their base coat, their color, which I do show, and then their top coat as well. And stay tuned towards the end of the video. I do show you some tips and tricks that I use to perfect everything, because sometimes application isn't perfect. So I just want to show you what I do to perfect it so that it looks nice and clean. And if you have any questions about that, let me know. But this is a nice, straight to the point video, and I figured you guys can watch the rest with some nice, satisfying music, because there isn't much else I can say other than thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy this video. Give me a like if you do. If you're new, please subscribe. Comment down below and let me know what kinds of videos you would like to see next. Just to let you guys know, I'm thinking of uploading different kinds of videos, and maybe just to switch it up a little bit. Let me know. Let me know what you guys would like to see. I do have some ideas. Hopefully you guys will stick around and let me know what you think. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.